Hello, warm welcome to Thousand. Thank you. I just want to show you this oddball train which is coming down now, which is the Pullman, the immaculate Pullman Coaches there, and on the back of the crane, oddball there going around the track. And I think the story went, the person who used to put the trains together in charge of the marshalling yard, like the GGs, and he's very accommodating if you went along and give him a few quick orders, you would try and do his best. And I think somebody went along one morning and said I wasn't mind a few pictures of that train on the move, and he said come back tomorrow morning about 10 o'clock and I'll do my best, see what I can do for you. So he just lifted on the back of the Pullman. Too late to get it off now when it's due out, and there it is. Going around the track. Pullman, I was running quite well really. And I think that's an old gauge crane. I'm not sure it might be an old gauge crane, but it's when you put it on the measuring gauge it's slightly too high on the track gauge. Anyway, that's just a little story. And some people who wouldn't run that, they would say doesn't matter. So as my friend says, it's your railway, enjoy your trains, and enjoy running the trains, and it's your railway, run what you like for it. I asked somebody wanted to see the train on the move, and the story goes, they go on the move. Just a little story there. And there's no sound on this, it's analog. I think it sounds quite well. Sounds good there. So, enjoy modelling and enjoy your train.